Fred inherited $10 million. Isn't that rough? Terrible. But in order to receive that inheritance, Fred had to inherit it in either Brazil or Chile. Fred chose Brazil. Unhappily, in Chile, he would have inherited it in land which had uranium, gold, and silver. But in Brazil, he could receive his inheritance in coffee or nuts. Yeah, Fred was nuts because he chose the nuts. And the problem is that the bottom dropped out of the market on nuts. And coffee went up to $1.30 a pound, wholesale, unroasted. Well, Fred had lost everything he had, except for a gold watch. He decided to sell that solid gold watch and get a plane ticket back home. It seems that he made enough money to be able to fly to New York City or Boston. Fred chose Boston. Well, he was waiting there, and when the plane from New York City pulled up, he noticed it was a brand new 747 jet. Red carpet inside, chick people, wine popping hostesses. And then, when the plane from Boston arrived, I should say creaked up, it was a old 1928 Ford Tri-Motor. Had crying children inside, tethered goats, which is just a word tied up. And when they were flying over the Andes Mountains, one of the engines fell off. Poor Fred, he said, went up to the captain and said, "I'm a jinx on this plane. You better let me out of this plane or you all might just lose your lives. Give me a parachute." Well, the pilot agreed, naturally. But he said, under one condition. Anybody who bails out of this plane has to take 2 chutes. So, Fred jumped out of the plane, and he was flying dizzily in the air, and all the while he was trying to make up his mind which ripcord to pull. Well, he chose the left one. It was rusty and the screws came out. So he pulled the right one. This time the chute came out, but the shroud cords broke. Well, poor desperate Fred cried out, "St. Francis, save me!" Then a great hand came down out of heaven and grabbed Fred by a wrist, letting him dangle over in the air. And a gentle but inquisitive voice asked, "St. Francis Xavier?"